a great choice today with the 2015 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, all-wheel drive, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, navigation system, power liftgate, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, aluminum wheels, cruise control, 4-wheel disc brakes, climate control, rear defrost. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.